The Safety First Turn and Go 360 ST car seat features an innovative rotational technology that allows the seat to turn fully, making it easier for parents to buckle their children in securely. This car seat is designed to accommodate children from birth up to 10 years, offering rear-facing, forward-facing, and booster modes to suit different stages of growth. The SecureTech system provides a visual red-to-green indicator to ensure that the car seat is installed with the correct belt tension, enhancing safety during travel. Meeting all federal safety standards, the car seat also complies with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration requirements, ensuring top-notch safety. Parents will appreciate the single installation requirement for the base, which remains constant across all modes, eliminating the need for reinstallation as the child grows. With added convenience features, like a machine-washable seat pad and removable cup holders, the car seat is designed for easy maintenance and comfort.